apparently. Uh-oh.
What is he doing?
It's messing up the tires. Cuando haces le quita pedazos a la llanta.
Tell me when they flipped over.
Flipped or over?
When they're over.
Like whichever one comes first.
Yeah, whatever. Oh my God!
He does it better than Roger does.
Hey, you call 911! Did you see that?
I caught it on tape.
Richard hit his head on the ground.
Damn, I can't zoom no more.
What the hell are you doing?
Richard's tall.
Yes, he is. You know, you have to come with this far yet.
No, you got it stuck. Oh, never mind.
Is it private jets or what?
No sé.
Because they're small and then a lot of them come from
It's a private airport,
rich people.
I guess.
I'm hitting it now.
Why?
Why do you go really fast? Oh my God! He did it better than Roger.
No.
Stop! Right here. Why are you doing
He's
this?
gonna come run you over,
Why?
watch.